Hi everyone, I am Neena Sathi, Principal at Applied AI Institute, and I'm thrilled to introduce a unique opportunity for professionals and students alike, our Generative AI Foundation course. This instructor-led program is designed to equip you essential skills for solving real-world challenges. If you're looking to enhance your career, boost productivity, or develop AI-driven solutions, this course is for you. So what is generative AI? Generative AI is changing the way we work, create, and innovate. Unlike traditional AI models that simply classify data or make predictions, generative AI can produce text, images, and even code based on patterns it has learned from massive datasets. LLMs like GPT-4 or 4o or Cloud and many others are leading this transformation, enabling businesses to automate workflows, enhance customer interaction, and drive efficiency in entirely new ways. What makes this course unique? This is not just another AI course. It is a hands-on, real-world learning experience designed to help you master generative AI applications with practical exercises and industry-relevant projects. Here is how we do it. We have a generative AI sandbox. You will gain exclusive access to a pre-configured AI sandbox tailored to consumer use cases. You will get to experiment, test, and refine AI-driven solutions. Capstone projects. You will be working on real-world challenges such as strategic investment analysis, healthcare equity analysis, EV charging optimization, or even a Harry Potter chatbot. Upon completing this course, you will earn a Credly certification to showcase your expertise and boost your job prospects. And you will be learning from experts. Applied AI Institute has trained over 4,000 professionals. So what are the key concepts you will learn? We will start with the fundamentals of generative AI and gradually move towards advanced applications. Here are the key topics we will include in this course. Prompt engineering. You will learn to craft effective prompts that maximizes LLM performance. Taxonomy augmented generation or TAG. You will discover how structured knowledge bases enhance AI outputs by aligning responses with domain-specific taxonomies. Retrieval augmented generation or RAG. You will understand how LLMs retrieve and integrate external data to provide more accurate, timely, and context-aware responses. Embedding and vector databases, you will learn how LLMs store and retrieve knowledge efficiently, making AI more reliable and adaptive. We will also introduce you to basic concepts in building AI agents, which are capable of orchestrating multi-steps reasoning and decision-making. So who should take this course? This course is designed for anyone looking to integrate generative AI into their work or business. Business leaders and small businesses, they will learn how to do AI-driven automation so that they can enhance operations and customer experience. Technical professionals and developers, they will gain hands-on experience in optimizing AI models for better performance. Consultant and analyst, They will identify and implement AI-powered insights for smarter business decisions. And finally, educators and trainers, they will apply generative AI to learning and curriculum design. So why take this course? It will boost your productivity. You will learn how to automate repetitive tasks, generate insights, and streamline workflows with AI. You will be able to experiment with new ideas, test AI models in the sandbox, and apply them to your own projects. Get job ready. With AI adoption growing rapidly, this course ensures you gain in-demand AI skills that employers are actively seeking. And you will get confidence to innovate. You'll master AI beyond just theory, but apply your learning to real-world applications. This course runs over 2 to 4 weeks period, featuring 6 hours of live expert-led lectures and 4 hours of dedicated TA or coach support. We are proud to offer limited need-based scholarship to ensure accessibility to all students. Those who successfully complete this program will be eligible for internship opportunities with leading employers in Southern California, giving them a pathway to apply AI skills in real-world scenario. So you can secure your spot today. You can register using the link provided here, Generative AI Foundation Course. And if you have any questions about registration or scholarship or course details, feel free to reach out to us at admin@aaii.ai. We look forward to helping you master generative AI and prepare you for the future of AI-driven innovation. See you in the class.